Hello, agus fáilte ras hiig na seansálaithe, Os maidh seansálaithe ghlac iad na seansálaithe. Is mu sé Hugh Mac Giolla Chearra live a reach da Eagrán a heart. Tá gen seo le V in a bunch seo, which is slightly crazy. Get to but the sum go bun soltas fi lethir agus mar Virginia bun an soltas. Tá man seo le muid cólaci, le muid cairde, le muid C words, actually ná ní ar mar sin. Tá man seo le Mhaoir Jimmertatu.
Tá go mhaid gur mína mhaige dimar tá hiú.
Tá má flyal mar deachtar tá absolutely flyal. Agus man seo fásta le fear na féisag James ó Flatharta. Jimmertatu James.
All right.
An Jearfa.
Better ní fear na féisag, better like I don't know creator and criminal. No.
Monopoly man.
Monopoly man.
Yeah.
Ron Burgundy.
Yeah. No punk rock Ned Flanders better. Sin cinna le. Tá ma cinse go mé couple of animale
Freddie Mercury.
Yeah. Yo ma diad agus bit gála rí mí na sauna, because ní muid le fálaí fríd na go bunch seo. So ní muid gar iad le a bhilú ag go bunch seo go fáil. Go dé mar tú sas leis an fáis de genta go le a chrummel, like tú sas leis a progress tugad.
Dóm dá se beganí ní skidis ná chomór tá se orm fiáir, because mar dúú tá caiiciís fós amach rúm. Agus tá cinní band goes around Burgundy fi láir, so tá rá seachta mór ad amach rúm ná go mar.
Fu gur quas le Ron Jeremy fi Jeru.
No, ní me definitely gef cos sin agus sinna daoine nach mai gef cos frisin má go amach ar an de seachtain is a bob, so sú go mé daoine brandorm is basically like, fair play in November and ní brandorm rá, sin an creep sin Éist.
Well, Ryan mé aniu ar scéal Instagram, gin sin de gine sin tú sa caiithú leat tas goin go nasca de bhaio ach dúirt me geall me de gine a thugad airgid don cúis go mé sort mustache reveal a grinnig dear na mísa. So tá me súil leis an final product eáil mar deartha.
Beart livestreamí anús tú fáil réití leis le é séhil asta agus go faoi dear na mísa ghlach se beidir jeabhar é fáil réití leis.
They were not a braid us, did it?
Le Jack Sparrow.
I be le denú skip rope idir well we'll crack bí agah Jimmer hín chatting agah ring nearna si bhd a bí jazz na nearna si bhd a bí dachrate mai rí na chattinge.
Chuir me leis an gháin Leonard.
Bhí se was cluthe éings an Newhaven.
A row?
Bhí, yeah.
Oh my god.
And yes.
Tá ho really gaiid election. Fair play the telephone ticket.
Bhí an ticket worth chud a ping a chama éid.
Oh my god, yeah.
Ticket ach bhí se unbelievable. Like brand new stad in the making, like we said, she had 3 UDD one was in the All Blacks, so we should absolutely class. Because we eating just unreal, like we should class from the kickoff. We can all buzz hard. He was like, "Oh, geez, I was actually going to draw all of like."
Harvard near covered my more V ma just see the chat agus near Mariana Gabi, me just see chalum hain agus for Craiger dars agus vi sha Kinda courage that kin the lads is this sa cha agus dúirte automission shall arcur cliche there's kid in the glasry lum the try to can shall arcur cliche but like ní roche sa cha or harpy, so if you must just fweckel hain leis an lad shot bedger go will my last bedger criú river shot that Carr river shot agus we were like right okay agus like the arm say set us to us agus like we might go to Gary Balgan te like just basically it's a strand shot agus then we like well man Seanish like probably just by arm or Kirkleianish agus we shot deadly we shot dog ratchet
Well vi mis brenn no ko strandtre fashion just vi mis kinál cuiochtta agus me go láhtíí daoine casa de field a roi agus go absolutely no. Bis go lá ní seám na na hiú ar fairness.
I'd say better Jerry an waka tú air in the Naden All Blacks river like a waka in All Blacks chéad the hill.
No, chéidir an All Blacks live class. Like in fairness, doesn't go all aiding it, but no tries of an All Blacks we just moments of pure brilliance on like actually unbelievable like yeah but the rating so how you doing?
Happy days Tá sé just táráte fásta an hacha ceall beá fásta Thnig mar siad an clíthe in dhé Chicago so cemnig go bhín buzz mór sin gur bhfuil si iad i Chicago agus sin fi tí san na bhíha le hairroding a teile agus fi mar sé ag clíthe sin agus mu like oh my god like Patrick like you know go bhfuimé agus they like call should like by a pretty sizable margin but hín crack mai but an hacha just táráte le feicáil beá cos like piece of the culture a rinch rivalhe and gapan gur cartoon rudí anu le snéirní but you're like spot river dance anu no but you're good
intimidating in it to be honest nach naibroch sin mór sin bud
ceart fao da na scuab beidir go mé sin a rud agus
sin go mai
agus sin a bhise do lún sin hééis
Johnny Sexton genú set rivan
ó an chuigeal chas rihé
hanning go fuist Johnny go bh Johnny Cas an dún Johnny Cas an dún a waka tún rud le Joe Biden
yes bhí seo an gradar
Tá sé I think like murá seo like Monró go gro Joe Biden is airan rivet base a gois because si go bis rud is airní go wakama in my heel just sean lad ag si sin se teile oh fair play díh ring of job dochra mai rain fair play whole ground
Saoí fur na hair in na fáil an léction like úachtar an America din the first cúchtaí ar dóin agus iad sin a muoir an chair Ní creide go sé an sin níor átís nó bhí go peantaí gom ná tarlú.
Ní bháin go béon rud is éannaí an na Joir réomh is probably rud is muo an na sé réomh muo. So sé rud céanna dá ruch muo ná leirna cúpaíochan le.
Dar bhfuil méo an All Ireland be Joe Biden ag Castle Bar be ar na tablaí be an sin a más na daoine dar bhfuil se de cos like I mean neall much méo clachtaí le rudí a bhuain so you know chance na foioi
fu an muo hall ag White House mar bhíonn na NBA champions agus na NFL champions ag White House just cuat ar nachrán a se cupán ru é. Well Jersey mai go frisin that 45 man 46 Biden at the back.
Agus dear ball de ar na hairan da joló dul stal hi go White House agus sílum go le well go raggur Jo gro se chun rodé an nach chuir le chéile dóibh go jo le chuirtar.
An part is fear don gléch omlan sin dar lomsa was like nar Darren law like oh when I come over here there don't act like you don't know me like they're like proper Sean lad behavior like the very like oh you know pay me more courage in this and they're talking to sheer courage but it's like shot worked around the stats ain't you like being like all right you know smudging your besties now Jen Jarmud so
just scary you know if Mark Quid and gang one of the lads.
It's like a made Johnny Sexton shoot his boher agus just fecha Joe Biden is like animal nach ní give on animal nah need some hain
no being kosher ag much in the hair and like you know Sally went into like the Six Nations immersion it's been kosher aku ex the Joe Biden secunio because she's like hey Johnny hey Jimmer tattoos Johnny like or will much the killer river like most well that no comes hard like I don't think that's some K2 hain Na. Biden? Oh, no, ní bheoh sim Biden sa bí. Dáráte dó. Cad an neanna tú tá bhfuir tú scarrt, like that nearna tú aon rud agus go bhfuir tú tax ra by the way to fá gléachas utra an na sta aontia, like igen quick bumte. Like cad an neanna, like an mé sketamíart a mé tú nervhí se, like cén reaction mé ógad.
No, you're hin low. Yeah, 5 na era just acu a hooker mar go discursin go an doing.
And cohort just or the boy all war. Yeah, well, this is Christian Flanad, so why ask my phone?
Or stoplish na oil rig selection. Stofigur cidery is shahadir hell and aku butcher big Latin. You're on follow low as on crusta.
Tell me how you really feel on you.
Yeah, tell me how you really feel.
Well, Nila could woman to go and vote and you know, Kaisha, you have to make a count.
Yeah, fair.
Any more problem bombs? Hoch must go the White House. Yeah, no bother.
Yeah. The mound, Hannah. When you're my stihan, if you marry her, is kjol. Agus vi much an anam still stahas kjol kasu. Ak vi 5 le Sawalchak President Obama or Uther and Obama shocked in River as mialishin ni lig actually the stahmuch ak jury then kjol kasu ag ambassade na here in Washington DC.
And ro gláthú go mé gona de casa fiddle bedger coslis
sure
the gangsters.
Stop she na fiddle as an Clarsha as 100 the chat trees an Air Force does salan as vir in trigger or faoir cligger out no or she killed one anseo ní no dansra hogan a tarlí sin dúsa or him trees an airport ní go Constantine agum I'd say was she than Constantine is the tarni agus tá gilor tá an greithe te was she than books of action or arcan she there she gluer tegen boom and or they gonna go agus beaner ma vinu dove as tarni she der lati or going it's just the music
Constantine Áine tá like James Bond.
Oh yeah.
Oh
yeah, by Constantina in Methadone there Dini Waro into abroad.
Hidden in plain sight.
Buoyant she not to note specific or whatever. The high C.
Wouldn't she G and then just taking the tongue to come up.
And you Nicola Vond just but this isn't Cad Bond Ella, this isn't thing in the Daniel Craig.
Oh no, that's all right.
Well, was this get a whole get to you shot?
Ní cear go meic si mar dúirt Daniel Craig má tá gona bheith i chur banisteach sa ról sin cin fanna grohinn tú character uair de haid an man sin an gapan si gur cear go meic James Bond ina chalín nó an ceirtíh character uair crothú atá cúchtach le James Bond.
Jane Bond Bidger.
Jane. Jamie.
Well, like an Adam had a character in that James Bond, so I think go fair at all. But Adam had Ryan Reynolds is James Atora, so
really?
Who even knows a line the show?
Yeah.
Like near new visualumsa like there more far in the band. I think Vitcha just like Vitcha like simul like there was more band like just more agus generally at their full like agus like obviously bo like faoin chart whatever like to like explanation in universe more yet or where well ní anim fear James Bond like his code name so sinna leiscail tagus the ag Jenny James Bond trivia sinna foiag bhfuil siad like defriúil mar gur code name in that like actual duine. So hug anu James hug linge bheith mar James Bond a trúr oginge as one collective unit what do you call it?
Simul an lagan or ekal.
Yeah. It's just more like
fresh and though that should ban like ring shit Ghostbusters the all female cast. So she's in the ring through the original. I don't think it guy be raw wall then the film should not like we should Ocean's 11 about and the Ocean's 9 of yet. marrá look freshen like
Sinné sílim go goleor léirhairí sort of leimtar trend seachas nach character or atá leis an meas céine ar na character atá ann hanahin a chruthú seachas just lagin le bannaí anu de gacr atá ann hanahin le fear.
Yeah.
You know, brahan sé ar an scanan or an car television but
yeah. Cos tá lein scanan agus a lein chláir na televíse atá le mra bhain like atá dochráit amháin a car ach níos de genuine scale marall gur bannaí a bhain it's like tá rud ínta symbol atarlífa agus also is mraid but like but you know hang goes already that stuff for anu but I think a guy to a and done flat cart kind to like you know you can't just be like solely the row postman pack more ban it's like okay well yes and cool but like and entirely with the BD here like we'll you know scale similar you know it's like nope agus and screaming not really all it's like okay well then you my guy shall echo and it's like oh need to carry echo more yalger banny it's like no like curse down upper agus barella me echo like yeah
agus tangentation a chuoi mun she's
basically Jared in the scale be the feminist le ha agus agus bí go mai le heile that's sin motto the shot agus mat the Gary scanna anu curmaging is scanna bimaging process of mar story
Dermot don céad lá rud a bhí anu bugnach
agus má líon Joe Biden ná láir faoi éradí so they please just because ask leis
Saoirlí dar hers Joe Biden scar chart agus which is Sasakora bhí se like Jesus this is shit crack but this is like this is whole like can't follow the country shot like Nyama Gary Kowar just a rat
if you see me pretend you don't know me
me it's like Biden jump tattoo Biden's the session just like loud to us
listen to me
Aladdin
French up mayor Hogan is like Jared social security get like yeah should have van for originally go Funk Becky to this name tagging a pod krill shaman is annual will disappear in mysterious circumstances.
you invite to take a White House just
see why Mr. Carr be
the Michigan James listen bowl listen the shamroy fod
be on your Zoom I'll be she muted
oh my god no and do you know what Áine the wormaging Carr Higa White House agus ní worth again then no Rahanwood we wouldn't just already yes fine
Tá agam fós
Kermit scar chart
ní chuir na lochtar
Kermit FaceTime art la Joe be costless in the fish
cos lenar chuin daoine na bhí soigas le de char de le ceolfarm as you're tú lo ochre glécarm den or an seo
oh my god yeah
glécard as ní clo rud a bhí bhe crap so bhe se mar sin de gur si glécarm sa ní bhéin op a rud a bhí as bhe like é seo class ce si bhein seo
ring me glán germ that we sin ho jazz we shall like be like the hurdig like na Arctic monkeys or whatever and then just you to gléch like lehanne Jason here agus we just
yeah Bhín gesture go hauling but bhí
an actual an outcome
phone call soft team
a bheit dus a si ar de labí bhe se an anticlimactic ní bheit fiú buntanuas mar bhí scéh an as méidir clo ná de card is scradil
why you always call me when you're high well cumne good faster like never was like sé agus the ro ceolchar mo tarlú like bit to Ableton ceolchar or fád echa just her Snapchat just like brahu or like kink in the beyond like the cumne like achan electric picnic no achan like you know féile bhí no like Marley Park not longitude like na féile and the finger like the chung ones finger the dingy og agus bit to Ableton just neuro art check it out you could just watch the whole thing Snapchat because bhí achan le árans was skill daoine like
sílam gur ghfuil braint buint le ghfuil ólachan a buint leis an cumáid Jeanine German civid scéile a chu an arde acu an rud céin an arde ríis.
Mar ní fu na trí hín really
leir sin.
Cé a bheith smuitiúr ar cé a chun in seo eiceil cé a chun sífrií seo.
In de gúna gur gaiice duine nó specific
na gcóí dóid se. It's like their current thing is so spectrum. It's like in Shaw a gym. No, and we here and try, and it's like feel like good to find out the thing away.
Absolute flex out like a gym. Oh
and I just
Ní rugby níos massa. Seachas mas in matatu with the personal trainer no the fitness influencer to sin go bra ach ein den eile chu pictiúir in arded the hénig a gym. Just gurí a hand her an ólas, when she did general workout. Just
what? They're having a good time. You know what? They're having a good time.
That's all negative, really negative.
But the thing you Gary picked her. But the thing Gary picked her lock at the Tainted gym. It's very low, but it's just
with the tag in the Chancellor, lower gym picks. Just like on your face.
Let the hot agus gentleman runner and scale. Cad cabin tú faoi daoine a bhín a rinch áraní ar scéaltaí sacu, ghéan siad le link go Spotify ar scéaltaí sacu.
Sin ceir go leor, cos tá sé i léirú tarsanach an duine agus na rudí hánaí lo. Genantos a go minic é Hugh.
Yeah, there's a blast on there, Hugh, man.
Sinna fábh mar garid in shack. I was like, am I still cool?
Do they hate me?
They really hate me. Cad cabin siad faoin.
I think it sound though, because then like they just like the search of mission at Spotify like.
Tugann sé multi-ditch. Cuidín se leat ceolóir I'm sure.
Dúirt duine ur bhhain gur damsí siad árán margheall rud a chumas with Spotify, and I was like, that's all the validation I need to my chun seo dhéanamh forever. Like ní caiime like bacham luminous faoi cad capan ag like tá chun seo dhéanamh like like agus genú playlist na éis an thing bí le a bhhain me se.
Is mailum de chuid playlist. Lan méid the Spotify agus mis bhádar leisciúil le sein list a chuir le chéile mé héin, so is mailum ar dhéanam RJ.
Tenim sa like Kenny le haid achan bhí, like James can like do comparisons to le haid achan bhí. But nis to like an méid like tá sé genta go nis le blian go leisílim or like blian better bhían nis actually hasma dhéanúiad. Agus since in the Kate Orange album, but it's like culture playlists or like so like but my guy really the really my gay law like mean the sound is in the jig like nimmer chi kon rash so I just never any was na orange no reach. So I'm like but just Gary Echo like Arkham Free with Spotify and it's just like the playlist shaw and I was like nimmer gay like info was shooting shaw and I was like no actually no this is just there.
Just go to liked songs and then
download
and then but like Harudinish Spotify was keen like going to shach in the genres like so just go brew a genre and then shuffle play time your life class like
see ring musician listener or until I go my iTunes because like for my rate so like let's buy on my phone for my rate listener or like because the realm so like in the major albums East Law does with the mission. So there's the album omlands the much liked songs so like my broom shuffle it how could like or I know album of if you my geisha law like of you my like Carr Jag or Criú or Hashima like anyway like an amber fad so then to oglar my yenim these more liked songs you just you should culture aware in the aran each and faster and it's like you're right my shuffle because it's like aran one my saltas like in Charties for Heart and then Canella is like Bowling for Soup 2013 or whatever like random old shite like so
class heroes
bangers yeah absolutely Ringman playlist and actually that are on your father's air and they're like we jags like quick jag whatever like the indie bangers or whatever and it's just absolute throwbacks Roy 7 Ham Sandwich Mojo Go like Public of Loose Chai Moss Chai. I'm watching line up like I'm a celebrity.
Honey, tá leor astóí os a bhú Grammy istí an am léna.
Tá ón na soaps go háir
Yeah.
ní chufid me sé cáí na í standards le bhí me sé gafala ru mé níáige leis na plastics na McDonald's. I know it's hard to believe. Ach bhí sinú cannaí gcóna bhí arm bhí ma bhug, cos bhín greg darharm agus bhí gluní mar cearnach í darharm fásta, so me gimmert pelas na lád hís gcóna chu Ben Mitchell arm. Which is a bit ruthless, like mermaid. But arcan am léana arcan go maiid, so an raim a fríd ar dúsbar raim a fríd agus fecin muid bhfuil aithne go bhnáine, because sinna gcóí an meme is spór le I'm a celebrity is like ní actual celebrities yet, but it's like daoine a mé cost like, oh right, yeah, I think it was segmentation.
Daoine bhfuil air go dtíonar
basically, yeah. Are dúsbar like anhéantha to say I'm a celebrity?
Tá go leor fóbias agam san nílas agam an joclo mé an ní hocailm bheith istíise. Us gan dairnta chun siad sta bol sa talúid agus bín nahar na bheith agus Frankie hí is dain ala sílo is fúlam nahar na bheith agus fúlam dain ala, so nílas go an joclo mé an nó.
100% you know se 110%.
Me sé ddír mar ggéirna, cos bit a cracker dóid nach mé.
Well, in fairness, no, ní dhéanaan it's a series show, new series cards, and there's the Wales, like in Australia, like the actual good cracks, like I love the kids if we initiate in I think I'm actually chain unbelievable, I don't know.
And what faster is that there's the like a gobber like or Clara Talavish, so like just really hun like into film in America like dancer like
no,
you know.
Tá agam sin ach fós tá si like fecinn tú bín agla ar na daoine lachanpáirte bín siad the queen and chuideú agus cumáid sin gaiid smuitiú ní tú ach ríisir fe trí hachanid. Bín
Badger this is the jungle ach me sé I'm bringing the price from my hanige.
I am the tourist bag 12 stars every night, baby.
12-star car sinna tang a bit arms in this jungle.
Siim go mbeadh ro hangry le sin just ar an hagla ná waithe réalta íháin, so I'm just réisi it féine mo bhite ceart le an den háartar agus de go an duna ar an televis.
But me sé gar bhéh mar like dar me sear bhhailm sa bhéh mar an mailín class, you know, like a Mrs. Lisa shower, like, you know, sa bikini.
Oh yeah.
classic TV moment.
Well, me sé gar cos de Keen Egan Rolls and Stars logos with it, but probably knowing me níos mú cos Jimmy Bullard bh mar an Joker le an chéad a háheachtain and then bh mar chéad in a voted off.
Agus bheith aine mar Gillian McKeith agus
oh my god, sin maslú olwer.
Sure this massive.
Is an duine is peanwer go riú ar an gláir.
Well, all you this can't we environmental rudí le Joe Biden is so.
Ní ligin orm gur hit me bhfuil lige ar televis náisiúnta internanáisiúnta.
You failed me and
wheel.
Oh yeah. Well, there ain't those. Sean Dingy tá gal I'm start beam Lena. Tá Simon Gregson. Let me go for Simon Gregson.
McDonald as Carnation, right?
Yeah, Steve McDonald, yeah. See, it's a goni like the like niveo so gum anime saku, but the wakama like so like having an anime I was watching how one picture I was like, okay, yeah, that's some K shop.
Yeah.
So yes, Steve McDonald is Coronation Street. Ta Adam Woodyat faster. See Shaw Road Nelson Nanyam, but
Ian Beale.
Oh, Inta.
Yeah.
Ian Beale or
I got nothing. I got nothing.
The session or EastEnders of in League Octo Quake. Like Shin Harvard.
Jesus.
Harvard Shin Trot. Wait, hold on a second.
Cos le si libra Moonchora.
Yeah. Agus tá Carr agus tá se ceir a trí. So
Is ní seach go le I'm a celebrity inis.
Cai sé go sé dhéanú go maidá hain.
Cai go si den é character a go bhar.
Dan EastEnders checks fógan sé trimú súas anyways.
ó bhí níidir go atfu chuig sin age gil Jeannie Mac. Agus sin tá Arlene Phillips bhí si mór mátar ar Strictly. Tá sí seachtú acht ach má gin tíh nusta sí gur maiile seachtú art.
Bei sin dulí chuníos seci in sinna fa tríheachna. Bei si dit, but bín si gcóí an mhaid tuairt airdan duna sinna. Bín si lin cináltas chuidín si lo trí na tascna.
No bína gcóí like so I'd say go sí all right. Sin tá Frankie Bridge bhfuil aithnig go Frankie Bridge.
Oh yeah. On a Saturdays.
What a
I will keep my mouth shut. No, she got yeah, as the Saturdays, agus nus sheer loose women. So if much can die to she got right. Sin Richard Madley, we'll come give Richard Madley.
No.
Actually sin Richard and Judy. That's the me or Vista Channel 4 like blianty hun. Agus nus is their well to Richard anyway to share Good Morning Britain. Agus but vi ar television lab blianty. Put me goni Gurker. Richard and Judy. Vi sin cos la Dahi O'Shea agus Mhaoir, yeah. Sin basically inversion of the on and assassin like quick Jake bliana hun was Richard agus Judy.
Nach sé ionach legan éarnach a bheith agad agus.
I'm a celebrity.
Lehéid de dahi agus mór.
Oh, Darrow, okay, 5 seconds. Solar
I was sleeping in the let's see bliana though. Okay, mate. Real what the market celebs.
We bliana tree been with it or in Claire, like that's our guess what they would get.
I take it though. I take it.
So that Rocheton, okay, the guy shop Alman is that Rocheton I'm a celeb as air in the end came one. So Dahi Marty Morrissey
Hector
got out.
Because Hector rud be Sasa Tree Winters rud be.
Yeah. They were arguing in South America
ex-footballers ex-sport people on like so the
Rob Kearney.Gus the session Emmy a squad Aaron in this then Beidh thing a random as an GAA of good faster Kevin Cassidy what do you call it because the session Emmy is as a pal fastenish or as international Una Healy, yeah.
You made Dear Colorado a couple of Kyoto Yoshi bitter Maireadny
Winnie and yet I'm Maireadny. Oh yeah, no, Jenny Maireadny, yeah, definitely.
Jenny Maireadny.
Yeah, up for the crack. Badger Bill Arhu like no actually about Hector Moore. We're gonna ride Bill Arhu like token Gaelgore when you be but yeah, no Bill Hector Moore and token Gaelgore Jaron.
Idir Colleen I'm sure you know TG Carr, Kathleen McGay, Cahish
Fiona can beat in the condition and then Bill Arhu like thing like kind of like Nevin Maguire, not Donald Skehan, not like kind of much like random TV chefs. And lads
no, he's that chef for Shachan me all.
Oh yeah, fair actually yes, Nivel Kadaku. Badger and lads in that's kind of the Brennans on the Chearra Brennan as room to improve. Yeah, Francis.
Where actually that law agus bheith who dolawada.
Yeah.
Vogue
Williams, yeah, sin lear. So to true le galta
Michael D. Higgins.
Oh, absolutely. There's a ray let's be more outron. Yeah, I think she runs spare but why is she Yanu? Bosco
Jerry Adams.
Bosco is Jerry Adams. Should have died.
Kai ní capstahan go mai just le right sheamsy
oh you know when gur glocking to the shot like to like you know mess up the
La Valley Tree
yeah well mat an show is gonna ver either TG Carr and the RTE Shannon saying King John the Fuckers kneecap now ni RTE
no Not fucking Éist, I believe is an actual is
Rothach sin an drama agus achan den slíthe an sin go mu géir.
Nu was den an bheith stáisiún Hugh.
Oh,
Virgin.
that's true, yeah. Ha
Zinger.
Ain't that my fucking asshole, right?
Hey, keep PG.
Come Lashko. Arain those. The thing yella at Conave or I'm a Celebrity Liana Maddie Lee. Let's look at K Maddie Lee.
Toss me out to my hish. The fecal Kate I'm a Celebrity.
Hey, Matty Lee. Neil Sugumsa.
Diving partner via Tom Daly, you know what?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good yeah.
Yeah. So not Tom Daly. The next best thing.
No.
Next best thing.
Agus Naughty Boy. I think you're like guess out.
Yeah. Naughty Boy.
At more music producer. Danny Miller. What was it? Danny Miller and you.
Beidir go mé má bhíní tú bug níos móú.
Aaron Dingle as Emmerdale.
Ní arc mar réhar Emmerdale sinna ceanháin ná arc mar.
I don't think me. I don't think bro Emmerdale more in there.
I don't think so. You're either you've done Emmerdale.
I think that like
EastEnders agus Carr agus Neighbours is home away look Emmerdale near sin that
I think well like it's like EastEnders is Liverpool. Like Man United shin Coronation Street agus shin Emmerdale is like Spurs, not Burnley, not like really random club or whatever. Like it's like they're like couple of young but like become a really but the yellow it can't be pal actually if I just do I don't know I was thinking shot David Ginola he actually know clue was okay and heard
sorry tá galore Lord Dini yeah David Ginola ní David Ginola. David Ginola. Na be Ginola the been no good done matching them breakfast. Na be Ginola one of the all-time Premier League greats, David Ginola. Tim's got Spurs, Tim's got Newcastle, Tim's got Coupe Club of France, Tim's got Udon of Frankie. So yeah, very, very, very good baller. Yeah, so does I actually really call you? Agus does Whoops.
It's get a bit of a dilf, bit of a silver fox.
Yeah. He was known as a Premier League to be the pretty boy gun team. So yeah.
Ooh la la. And
he had David Ginola.
You know the nearha like the hair agus Leo Freeze and Pepper like what could you do David Ginola and fleet win pal. Te Cadina Coxon was he Cadina Cox.
Nicholas.
No.
Is she more Olympian agus Paralympian? So Rahiart agus in track and field.
Smile nar bhín daoine sportú lecu mar bín si de gcónaí ionta ag na tasnaí.
Yeah. Bhí de gcónaí crack miger Carr Jenny stuff. Tá Louise Minchin. He's in Shaw. Obviously, your BBC Breakfast, you know, it's a pretty good gig.
Okay. Beidir Gael Tim Minchin.
Beidir, I wish. Oh my God, it's Brian Tim Minchin. And then DJ Locksmith was good. KH DJ Locksmith.
Rudimental.
Yes.
James of Flatharta.
Oh.
More first Rudimental. Snoochie Shy. Sean Dingy Jarna was good case Snoochie Shy.
That's because the version sear the Snooky.
The Snooky
on Jersey Shore.
I mean, basically. It's mannequin like because she and radio faster she even few Jarn goes she were DJ. Better this year like I don't know like Radio Norwich no like BBC Radio 1 Extra to acquire this year. So she passed her big shack as in like 2 + 2 is 4 minus 1 2 quick maths. There you are now my who's snoochie
Tá aniu gine go leor acu sin cai mé rá níos mó na blianta eile.
Tá se bhhain daoine go mbeadh aithne é arthú like the roots to naim like it's like okay but then cool is a walk to it it's like oh yeah
agus caiimiid gohnu go mé níos mó daoine chatta seahanna coppla lá ní seachtainna to stir things up
na randomers Beidh Virginia Saoliness to Gar declare this and then if you shall like and no to mix things up whatever I was just listening to like a theme song just do
to mix things up chum a seach on nobody seo as éing na choning earning €100 agus 10 candles
Churach siad cinnte na festis ar so bhechan bhechttas a gléis mar jester bheit me se gléis mar bhain réad agus Hugh Mac
yeah gan out done brother fad no was like be crack mai like me sé gurcum rud amlan
Smail man chlár tá sé éiste arcer tá sé deí sí a haníthe agus is spralament an deck so yeah be me se garcer
in fairness be me se brand cholle léan is build up that agus in knowledge is vision like so it's kinda countdown net on there kind
mar garna
ein team mission
it's like Anton Dexter's class though so that's actually so funny so done program like so but yeah 100% like hopefully like exactly though Scott like my Holland 2 episode 1 it's like oh
yeah
well my name brand
at a Virgin Media player again in it so
yeah true
ni leis go brí again
shout out Shaw or yeah Eagrán ag mó canal the Virgin Media
the Hugh Carr player
oh yeah well ar an nóta sin on that bombshell
on the bombshell
yeah fáigi muid an sin gur míle maigh bh bh gééis a réisling an charting seo is féidirling amsú ar na main hosta ar fad mar your Instagram ag na seansálaithe mar your Twitter ag na seansálaithe mar your YouTube ag na seansálaithe agus net go out an fiise eáil agus igad eáil ar crummel galanta James Tá sé ar Twitter agus Instagram ar Hugh Carr here Tá Mhaoir ar Twitter agus Instagram mar Mhaoir agus tá James ar Twitter agus Instagram mar Flatharta nice and easy nice agus siimplí bhfuil éon rud eile gur cearting a seáid a thuirtá sular chum scríic leis nefod
ná nóir bhíh tuairt sin tús ag Carr nach James le ha November mas féidir le
sé an nasc sa bhaio
Joe Biden mat a géistecht chu gléchorm
Tá mai gagrú na sealtaí a na cartí nálagus ru dearmid netfu na hóíine so was fé dat sinna chu síos si chaphain ru near halt Tra ban beidir be sin netfu na hóí ar nóta sin gur mí mai go sa fé géisiart agus im can baríis anis seachtain tugain agus sin é bunig go sotas deir seachtaine san libh
sounds well